We divide 989 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 8 and it is 48. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 9 and it is 39. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 4. So we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 989 divided by 5 is 197.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.